नमस्कार, हेलो स्मार्ट शिक्षामा स्वागत छ। आज हामी दैनिक कुराकानीमा प्रयोग हुने विभिन्न प्रकारका उपयोगी र महत्त्वपूर्ण वाक्यहरू लिएर आएका छौँ। यो भिडियो अन्तिमसम्म हेर्नुहोस्, सुन्नुहोस्, केही नयाँ कुराहरू पक्कै सिक्नुहुनेछ भन्ने आशा गरेको छु। तपाईहरूलाई उपयोगी हुने वाक्यहरू टिपोट गर्नुहोस् र त्यसलाई तबसम्म अभ्यास गर्नुहोस् जबसम्म बोल्ने बेलामा अटोमेटिकली मुखमा आउँदैन। यसो गर्नाले बोल्ने बेलामा फटाफट आउने भएर फ्लुएन्सी बढाउन सहयोग गर्नेछ। आउनुहोस् सुरु गरौँ आजको भिडियो। I hope you will get the job. मलाई आशा छ तपाईले जागिर पाउनुहुनेछ। Let's see, हेरौँ। Let's see, हेरौँ। Let's see what happens. के हुन्छ हेरौँ। Let's see what happens. I don't regret. मलाई पश्चाताप छैन। I don't regret. मलाई पश्चाताप छैन। I don't regret my past. I don't regret my past. मलाई मेरो विगतमा पश्चाताप छैन। Doing that work, I don't regret. Doing that work, I don't regret. त्यो काम गर्दा मलाई पछुतो छैन। I regret for the loss of my job. I regret for the loss of my job. म मेरो जागिर गुमाएकोमा पछुताउँछु। म मेरो जागिर गुमाएकोमा पछुताउँछु। I regret for the loss of my job. Don't make excuses. Don't make excuses. बहाना नबनाऊ। Don't embarrass me. Don't embarrass me. मलाई लज्जित नबनाऊ। Don't embarrass me. It's no use going there. It's no use going there. त्यहाँ जानुको कुनै फाइदा छैन। युएसई को उच्चारण युज पनि हुन्छ, युज पनि हुन्छ। जब भर्बको रूपमा प्रयोग भएको हुन्छ त्यो युज हुन्छ भने नाउनको रूपमा प्रयोग हुँदाखेरि युज प्रोनाउन्सिएसन हुन्छ। त्यसैले यहाँ युज प्रोनाउन्सिएसन हुन्छ। It's no use going there. It's no use going there. It's all yours. It's all yours. यसलाई आफ्नै सम्झिनुस्। It's all yours. It's all yours. Be responsible for this. Be responsible for this. यसको लागि जिम्मेवार हुनुहोस्। Be responsible for this. It's no use asking him. It's no use asking him. उसलाई सोधेर कुनै फाइदा छैन। It's no use asking him now. It's no need to go there. Now, it's no need to go there. अब त्यहाँ जानु आवश्यक छैन। You can't escape from this. तपाईँ यसबाट बच्न सक्नुहुन्न। तपाईँ यसबाट बच्न सक्नुहुन्न। You can't escape from this. Aimless journey is the waste of time. लक्ष्यविहीन यात्रा समयको बर्बादी हो। लक्ष्यविहीन यात्रा समयको बर्बादी हो। Aimless journey is the waste of time. It will take 15 minutes to make meal ready. खाना तयार गर्न 15 मिनेट लाग्छ। खाना तयार गर्न 15 मिनेट लाग्छ। It will take 15 minutes to make meal ready. Heat up the food. Heat up the food. खाना तताओ. खाना तताओ. Heat up the food. Let's learn something new. Let's learn something new. केही नयाँ सिकौं. केही नयाँ सिकौं. Let's learn something new. We arrived at about 5 o'clock. We arrived at about 5 o'clock. हामी लगभग 5 बजे आइपुग्यौं. We are not on talking terms. We are not on talking terms. हाम्रो बोलचाल बन्द छ. We are not on talking terms. Don't talk with me like this. Don't talk with me like this. मसँग यसरी कुरा नगर. It will be better for you. It will be better for you. तपाईको लागि राम्रो हुनेछ अथवा तिम्रो लागि राम्रो हुनेछ. It will be better for you. How can you be so selfish? How can you be so selfish? तिमी यति स्वार्थी कसरी बन्न सक्छौ? How can you be so selfish? Don't you talk to him? के तिमी उसँग कुरा गर्दैनौ? के तिमी उसँग कुरा गर्दैनौ? Don't you talk to him? Don't wink. आँखा नझिम्क्याऊ. Don't wink. आँखा नझिम्क्याऊ. Don't wink. It's too late. धेरै ढिलो भइसक्यो. It's too late. It doesn't make sense. यसको कुनै अर्थ छैन. यसको कुनै अर्थ छैन. It doesn't make sense. के यो तिम्रो हो? Is it yours? Is it yours? The electricity has gone off. The electricity has gone off. Or the power has gone off. बत्ती गएको छ. इलेक्ट्रिसिटीको अगाडि आएको द को प्रोनाउन्सिएसन चाहिँ दी हुन्छ भने पावरको अगाडि आएको द को प्रोनाउन्सिएसन द नै हुन्छ. किनभने यो भावेल साउन्डको अगाडि आएको छ भने उच्चारण दी हुन्छ भने कन्सोनेन्ट साउन्डको अगाडि आएको छ भने द हुन्छ. सो the electricity has gone off हुन्छ भने the power has gone off. यसको चाहिँ the power has gone off हुन्छ. यसको चाहिँ the electricity has gone off. बत्ती गएको छ. Please light the candle. कृपया मैनबत्ती बाल्नुहोस्. कृपया मैनबत्ती बाल्नुहोस्. Please light the candle. Go out and play. बाहिर गएर खेल. Go out and play. बाहिर गएर खेल. Not a bit. अलिकति पनि होइन. Not a bit. अलिकति पनि होइन. By there where I say. जहाँ म भन्छु त्यहाँ किन. जहाँ भन्छु त्यहाँ किन. By there where I say. See what's happening. हेर के हुँदैछ. हेर के हुँदैछ. See what's happening. Let bygones be bygones. जे भयो भयो. Let bygones be bygones. जे भयो भयो. You need to go. तपाईं जानु आवश्यक छ. तपाईं जानु आवश्यक छ. You need to go. You can call me anytime. तिमी जुनसुकै बेला फोन गर्न सक्छौ. तिमी जुनसुकै बेला फोन गर्न सक्छौ. You can call me anytime. Why are you so shy? तिमी यति किन लजाको? तिमी यति किन लजाको? Why are you so shy? By the way, what are you doing right now? By the way, what are you doing right now? साँच्चै अहिले तपाईँ के गर्दै हुनुहुन्छ? साँच्ची अहिले तपाईँ के गर्दै हुनुहुन्छ? By the way, what are you doing right now? Keep this matter secret. Keep this matter secret. यो कुरा गोप्य राख. यो कुरा गोप्य राख. Keep this matter secret. Put it back. Put it back. यसलाई फिर्ता राख्नुहोस्. यसलाई फिर्ता राख्नुहोस्. Put it back. Put it down. यो तल राख. I was around. म वरिपरि थिएँ. I was around. म वरिपरि थिएँ. Where were you from so many days? यति दिनदेखि कहाँ थियौ? यति दिनदेखि कहाँ थियौ? Where were you from so many days? Where were you from so many days? Are you still sleepy? तपाईँ अझै निद्रामै हुनुहुन्छ? Are you still sleepy? Are you still sleepy? तपाईँ अझै निद्रामै हुनुहुन्छ? A bad carpenter quarrels with his tools. नाच्न नजान्ने आँगन टेढो. यो चाहिँ प्रोभर्ब हो. नाच्न नजान्ने आँगन टेढो. यसको इङ्ग्लिस चाहिँ A bad carpenter quarrels with his tools. Truth is always bitter. साँचो अथवा सत्य सधैँ तितो हुन्छ. सत्य अथवा साँचो सधैँ तितो हुन्छ. Truth is always bitter. May your dreams of speaking English be fulfilled. तपाईको अंग्रेजी बोल्ने सपना पूरा होस्. May your dream of speaking English be fulfilled.